Hello there everyone, welcome back to our channel again. In today's quick video, you are going to see how to check Insta Reels history. So to do that, head over to your Instagram application. Once you're there, make sure you have logged in into your desired account and then head over to your profile by tapping the profile icon on the lower right corner. Once you're there, just tap on the three lines icon on the top right. And here go to your activity under how you use Instagram section. Once you're there, you will find several options. And here you have to go to Reels. So here you have to go to Likes and tap on All Content Types drop-down box. Here just check mark on Reels and tap on Apply. And here are the Reels you have seen. So yeah, this is how you can check your Insta Reels history. Hope this video will help you out and we'll see you in the next video.